I finished the solution for this coding challenge. Just as a review, it's to find a function that will return a list of indices of the start of the anagrams of a pattern that are found within a given string. So for example, given this string here and the pattern PQ, the output would be the indices 1 and 2 because the anagrams start at index 1 and index 2 after that. So how I solve this is essentially I am keeping track of the character counts within a given substring. I'm using a sliding window to go over all of the characters within the given string, and then keeping track of the character counts of the characters within my pattern in relation to that specific substring as I'm sliding over the window. So, so there's a few variables I need. I need the left and right side of that sliding window. I need character counts, which is the count of each character within the pattern. And then also this matches variable as well. And that is used so I can keep track of whether or not a given substring is an anagram. And why does that work? Well, if at each iteration I'm adding in characters on the right side of the sliding window, if a character that's added is a character from the pattern, then I want to subtract its count. And then if the count for that character reaches 0, then I know I've taken care of all those characters needed to fit the pattern. So basically I increase matches by 1. And then as I'm moving the sliding window across this given string, if the number of matches equals the number of distinct characters within the pattern, then that means I have an anagram and I want to add the left index of the sliding window to my answer because that is the start of an anagram. So let's get into the specifics. I'm iterating through the characters within the string. If that character is within our character counts, if it's a character within the pattern, that is, I want to basically decrement the count for that character. If I have taken care of all the characters, all the number of that character within this current substring, then I want to increase the number of matches that I have by 1. I also want to check if my sliding window is getting too big. So basically, if it is longer than the length of my pattern, then I want to increase the left side of the sliding window by 1. And when I do that, I want to adjust my character counts and matches as well. So basically incrementing that character count. And then if it's coming from 0, turning back into 1, where that character count is 1, now I need another one of that character to basically match the pattern. Then I want to decrease the number of matches because I no longer have all of that character that I need, the total number of that character that I need. Then I also want to increment the left side of the sliding window. If there's too many of the current character within the substring, then I want to just reset my left and right side of the sliding window altogether because I just want to disregard this whole current substring because I can't have more than one character needed for the given pattern. So for example, if I'm iterating through here and I'm starting, so I have this substring within the string. Once it reaches this second A, then it will see that I have too many A's. I don't need that many A's. I just need one A. So it's basically just going to adjust the left side. So we're here now. And then I'll try to add in this second A, and it'll see that there's too many A's once again, and then it'll adjust the left side. And then it'll go here, and then it'll be like, okay, AB, that's good. And then it'll get to this second B here, and our substring will be ABB, and it will see that there's too many B's. So then it'll just say, well, I can't use this entire substring, so I'm just going to adjust so the left side is this last B here. And then it'll add this C, that's good, this A, and then it'll be like, oh, it's an anagram. Add the left side index 4. Okay, so that's what that's doing. And then I want to check if there's an anagram found. So if matches equals the length of character counts or the number of distinct characters within the pattern, then I want to append that left side of the sliding window to my answers, to my answer, or starts as I've referred to it here. Then I want to adjust the right side of my sliding window. So basically the next iteration or the next loop, I'll have the correct index for the right side of the sliding window. So as I'm iterating through those characters, if it's not within the pattern, if it's not a character that's in the pattern, I basically want to reset the entire sliding window again. So I need to replenish my character counts and adjust the matches correspondingly, basically decrement it if need be. And then the right side will index of my sliding window will increase, and then the left side is getting jumped up as well. So yeah, that's it. Just had a couple of things to fix from yesterday or implement, and then one of my tests was off because I was jumbling the given string a little bit. So yeah, fixed those, got some more practice with the debugging tools. Yeah, this is good. On to the next one tomorrow.